Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram song is currently unavailable. So let's get started. Well, when you try to add a song on a specific story and then it says this song is currently unavailable, it might be because of many reasons. And to fix that, we're gonna go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down till you get to additional settings option. So tap on it. Here, a list of options will appear. So tap on the third option, region. So the problem here, it might be because this song is only available on certain region. And to fix that, change your region to one of these, whether France, Brazil, India, or anything else. For example, here I'm gonna choose Brazil. Then go back to your Instagram and see if that song is available on your phone or not yet. If this doesn't work, then go back, scroll all the way down till you get to apps option. After that, tap on the second option, manage apps. Now scroll all the way down till you get to Instagram app. Then tap on clear data, then clear cache. And this should fix your problem. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram song is currently unavailable. Thanks for watching. See ya.